Read. Reshma is a garment worker in Dhaka. She is 18 years old. Her family came to Dhaka from a village 8 years ago. There was river erosion in her village. They lost their home. So the family came to Dhaka. Reshma's father worked as a rickshaw driver, but he died in an accident. Reshma's uncle Ratan helped the family. He found a small house for them at Kollanpur. He took Reshma to a garment factory in Mirpur. She works there now. Her younger brother, Babul, goes to school. He is in class 5. Her mother teaches Nokshikathas at home and sells them. The garment factory is 2 kilometers from Reshma's house. In the morning, she walks to work. Some of her friends go by bus, rickshaw or scooter. She works from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Reshma likes to go to the cinema, but she does not have much free time or money for this. She often works extra hours until 6 p.m. so she can make more money. Her family needs this money for food and other things. Read the story of Reshma from your book and say the numbers of pictures according to the story.